kindergarten parents. My name is Holly Compton, and I'm the district math coach for grades TK to 6 in Manhattan Beach. And today I'm going to do something with your kids that we haven't done before, and it's called splat. So as you can see here, I've got this blue thing, that's the splat, and I have two dots that are showing, and I have this number right here, which I'm going to call my magic number. So our magic number is going to be 5. We know for sure that there's going to be 5 black dots in total, but we can only see 2 of them. So basically, the kids have to figure out how many are hiding under the splat. So I'm going to do something like, okay, we can see 2. There's 1. There's another 1. And then they're going to tell me that 3 are hiding, and I'm going to say, ready, and splat. I'm going to pull it off, and they're going to see that, and we're going to do the number sentence. 2 plus 3 were hiding equals 5. And I'm going to do that a couple of times with your children. The reason I am doing this game, Splat, is because we are going to do a story problem that is related to that. So we're going to do a join, change, unknown problem where we start with a number. So there were fish swimming in a school. I'm going to put in 5 for my first round. Then some more fish joined the school. Now there are 8 fish in the school. How many fish joined the school? So it's really actually a difficult problem type for kids, and we're going to see a lot of mistakes. We're going to see a lot of kids answer this as 13 because they're just going to join the 8 and the 5. This is exactly why we don't tell the kids what to do, because we want them to think about the story and we want them to make sense of the story. So we're not going to say this is an addition problem or this is a subtraction problem. We're going to let them solve and how it makes sense to them. Now, you may want to just say to the kid, hey, you could just do 8 minus 5 and you'll get your answer, 3. And the kid is going to go, huh? Because this action of subtracting does not match the story problem. So we need the kids to think about the action in the story. So the action here is there were 5, then some more were added. So they're going to think about adding to, not subtracting. So if you do this, I can almost guarantee some kids are going to cry. It's going to cause a lot of confusion. So try to let them make sense of it. So a lot of them are going to do, okay, there were 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 fish swimming at first. And maybe they're going to switch their color to a different color, or maybe they'll put a circle around them to show their first group. And then we know for sure at the end we have 8 fish. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And maybe they'll say, oh, I have 3 blue ones, so 3 fish joined. Or like I said before, maybe they'll put a circle around the first group and then a circle around the second group. So, but in no way will they think about subtraction in this story. So really pay attention to what your child is doing and see if you can give them gentle little nudges, because we are expecting probably some mistakes here, but we want to give them a challenge and we really want to push their thinking. So mistakes are okay. We just want to build off of them. All right. So I think it's time to go get the kids. I will see you back here in just a second. All right, kids, we are back at it again. It's Mrs. Compton, and we are ready to play with some numbers. Now, I know I've gotten to play this game with some of you before, but with some of you, it's going to be a brand new game, and it's called Splat. And when I look at this, I notice a couple of things. It says the word splat. And then I see a thing that looks kind of like a splat. And I notice that there are 2 dots and a 5. So let's see here. When we're playing this game, this is our magic number. And the magic number is going to tell us how many dots there are altogether that are hiding. Or, excuse me, how many dots there are altogether. So some of the dots are hiding under the splat, and some of the dots are not. So right now we can see 2 dots. We see one right here and one right here. We have to figure out how many are hiding. You guys ready? Okay, so let's see. We know for sure there are 5 dots all together, and we can see 2 of them. How many are hiding? Are you ready to tell me? On the count of 3, show me your fingers. All right, let me see your fingers. 1, 2, 3. Okay, I see your fingers. Here we go. Say splat on the count of 3, and I'm going to do the big reveal. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Splat! Did you get it? Did you show me 3 fingers? Woo! There we are. So we have 1, 2, 3 dots that we're hiding. All right, very good. Let's try another one. All right, we're back. Second round of splat. Okay, so what do you notice this time? Let's take a look. Our new magic number is 10. That's our new magic number. And how many dots do you see? 2, 3, 4. Did you see 4 dots? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so let's figure out if we can see 4 dots and our magic number is 10, how many dots are hiding under the splat? Let's see if we can figure it out. Okay, whisper it to me. How many dots do you think are hiding? Okay, are you ready to find out? On the count of 3, we're going to say splat. Ready? 1, 2, 3. Splat! How many dots were hiding? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Did you say 6 dots were hiding? That's right. We had 4 dots shown. And if we know 4 plus 6 makes 10. So we know that we had the 4 showing, and we had to figure out 6 must be hiding. That was under the splat. See that? And all together we had our magic 10 dots. Okay, are you ready for the last splat? Let's see what you notice here. Check it out. Did you notice that our new magic number is 14? Okay, so there are going to be 14 dots all together. How many can you see right now? Did you say 5? I think you did. Let's see. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, we can see 5 dots. And we know some are under the splat. And we know our magic number is 14. Okay, let's see. Figure it out. How many dots are hiding under splat? On the count of 3, tell me. 1, 2, 3. Okay, you have your guess. Are you ready to say splat and see if you were right? Ready? 1, 2, 3, splat! Did you guess 9? Let's see if we got it right. We had 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. That makes 14. So 9 dots were hiding under the splat. Let's double check that. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And 3 threes make 9. Okay, kids, shall we see our big story problem for today? Now, I wish we could go to the beach today because it is the perfect beach day. It's so warm outside. I really wish I could go swim in that ocean, but only the fish get to right now. So bummed. And the animals, or the sea creatures, of course. All right, so this story is all about School of Fish. Okay, let's check it out together. Read it with me. School of Fish. There were fish swimming in a school. Then some more fish joined the school. Okay, can everybody imagine a school of fish swimming all together? And then, some more fish joined the school. Now there are fish in the school. How many fish joined the school? Okay, Let's check it out with some numbers in place. Okay, so maybe you might choose the number set 5 and 8, or you may choose 8 and 12, or maybe you want to choose the number set 14 and 21. So let's say I choose this number set right here, 5. There were 5 fish swimming in a school. Then some more fish joined the school. Now there are 8 fish in the school. Okay, so we're going to imagine that. So everybody right now, imagine 5 fish swimming in a school. Can you see them? Okay, me too. Then some more came and they joined the school. Now there are 8 fish swimming together in the school. We want to know how many fish joined those original 5 fish to make 8. All right, check in with your teachers, kids. It's your turn to solve the story problem, and I hope you have a great rest of your day. See you next time. Bye.